How to fix Roblox lag mobile. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Roblox. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps option. Here you have to search only for Roblox. When you found Roblox, just open it like this, then go to storage option. Here on your storage option, go to clear data and click OK, then go back and click on first stop and click OK, and then you have to go to Play Store, and then you have to restart or you have to update your Roblox if it's not updated, and that's it. After this, your Roblox will you will play without any problem. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.